Hello guys, if you are EMS supplier or any mass production in electronics, if you are dealing in that, then this video is for you. This is a PCB depaneling fixture, and MICROHUB is providing any kind of depaneling PCB test fixtures to at your doorstep. We have in-house machining setup, and we have in-house mechanical design team who is creating this kind of fixtures and provide you at your doorstep with best out of the best quality. So if you are using this kind of any depaneling machine, then it requires fixers to make it proper and to make it workable. So you can see a accuracy level what MICROHUB is providing to their client. You can see a machining accuracy here, because when you are doing any PCB or depaneling fixer, you need to take a care from top side and bottom side of the components, the height of the components. We need to create a cavity, and after depaneling, PCB should not move inside the fixer also to create a proper fixer. So when we are putting PCB inside this particular zone of the fixer, it is not going to move. Also, when it is going to cut, it is individually the PCB should not move inside the fixer to take a preventing of any kind of damage while depaneling of the PCBs. So this particular fixture is for this PCBA, and there are 4 PCBs that the client needs to depanel that. So if you have any kind of machine, like if you have machine from German, Taiwan, Japan, or Korean and Chinese companies machines, is capable to making depaneling fixtures for any kind of machines. Also, we provide a depaneling file to you also, like any DXF or AutoCAD files we can provide you. So at your machine setups, you can just put that file, and you can have the XY coordinates and locations for the depaneling. So you no need to do any manual tasks. So let's put this PCB inside this fixture so we'll get an idea. So I'm just putting this PCB. You can see there is no movement of PCB inside the fixture. Even we are providing a proper fingering for the removing of the and putting the PCB, and for the any kind of movement of the PCB. So when I'm going to close this, we need to take care the bottom side component, as well as we have created the top cavity for any shoulder legs, any ICs are available here. So it is easily going to be closed here. So you can see a sandwich of PCB for depaneling is ready. So you just need to put it on in your machine, and the machine is going to do that task and for the required accuracy. So after even cutting an individual PCB, the PCB is not going to move, and that is this is the beauty what MICROHUB is creating for any depaneling fixer. So if you have any such kind of requirement, you can contact MICROHUB, and we can provide you a best out of the best solution for the depaneling. We can provide you the design files also, so you will have the easiness to operate your machines. So thank you guys for watching this video, and please like, share, subscribe our videos so you get the motivation. And if you have any requirements, you can just give us a call. We'll give you the fixers within 3 to 4 days at your doorstep. Thank you guys for watching this show. Thank you very much. Yeah.